Hi guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you are well today. Okay, Power Lead System. I am back on behalf of the Power Lead System, guys. If you're here for the first time, you landed on my page because you're looking for a way to make some money from home. Well, this is a great program, guys. It has a residual income built in the program, meaning you're going to make income over and over and over for doing something once. Okay, we all have residual bills, so we also have a residual income stream. Okay, so Power Lead System is a marketing system. It's all in one. It's a global program, so you can pretty much work this pretty much anywhere in the world as long as you have internet access, okay, from any smart device. All right, this is actual education. It's a marketing system that includes training and education, okay, how to make money online. Now, if you have a primary business and you're struggling to get signups and leads, this is a great program to help you market that business so that you can get leads, because without leads, guys, you're not in business. If you're not getting people to look at your offer, you're not in business. Okay, so this system can do that for you. It's universal, so it doesn't matter what you're promoting, whether you're selling tea, your lawn, a lawn care business, a hairstylist, whatever your business is, the Power Lead System can help you promote that business. Okay, now to be a part of this program, all right, I'm going to flip over. I have some little notes over here just for you guys. It's $53.97 a month to be a gold member. Okay, to be in this program, it's $53.97 a month. That makes you a gold member, and every time you refer someone to the program as a gold member, you're going to make $20 residual income. Okay, every month, as long as they remain a gold member. Okay, not to mention you get a 50% matching bonus on everybody you refer to the program as a gold member as well. So if you refer, let's say, one person the first month and they end up making $1,000, you're going to make $500. That's a 50% matching bonus. Okay, so outstanding, just being a gold member. Okay, so you want to get in as a gold member. Now, they also have a couple additional products, which is the education to teach you how to market online. Okay, so the next product is called Free Ad Secrets. Okay, it's $147 one time, but you're going to make a $100 commission off everyone that purchases that product. Okay, one time. You only pay it once. There's no monthly fees on that. Okay, so another income stream. Okay, then another product we have, and this will take you to the platinum level. That the Free Ad Secrets is the diamond level. So now the platinum level, we have another product package. It's $497 one time, the Social Profit Academy. Okay, pay $497 one time, and it allows you to be in position to receive $400 commissions. Every time someone purchases that product, you make $400. Okay, now let's back up. With the Free Ad Secrets for the $147 one time, you're also going to get overrides. Every time one of your teammates sells Free Ad Secrets, you make 25% matching bonus. Okay, so you're looking at what, $25 every time someone sells that. So you get overrides with this, and you're going to get overrides with the Social Profit Academy as well, guys. $50. Okay, every time someone on your team sells that $497 product, you make $50 override. Okay, and I'm going to show you the new product that they just added as well. But an outstanding program. You can check my website out, earnwithpandora.info, and give me a call. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. We have an official Facebook group. So once you join and you go in your back office, there's a button there you're going to click, and you're going to join the company's Facebook group once you become a paid member. Okay, and there's a lot of training in that, okay, to get you set up, as well as an active community of entrepreneurs. So you'll see thousands of people, guys, that's interacting on a day-to-day basis, all day, every day, on their progress, what they're doing, the results they're getting. They're sharing knowledge, okay? And then by joining me, I'm a part of a team of entrepreneurs, okay? We have a private Facebook group that you can join with some fast start guide, with a fast start guide to get you into profit right away. We also have a traffic co-op that you can join to get visitors to your site, because that's the number one thing that most people can't get started. They don't know, other than their friends and family. They're like, okay, well, how do I get people to it? How do I promote it? So we show you all that in our group. So you'll get that exclusive training, but you have to join me to be a part of that special group. Okay, so this program is working. It's been around for 5 years. The parent company has been around for 2 decades. So you're looking at a solid program. This is not a, you know, a new company that just launched. Okay, so 5 years, and then with the backing of the parent company of 2 decades. So, you know, this is a solid company. Okay, so no worries with that. They pay every Wednesday. So you can get, we have the e-wallet. So once your money is in there, you can transfer it to your bank account. Or we have a debit card that you can get. Okay, and then you can just, all your commissions can be deposited on that debit card, a Visa debit card. Okay, so no worries with that. But weekly, every Wednesday, like clockwork, we're getting paid. All right, so this is a great place for you to start. And what I like to say about it is most of it is automated. Okay, let's say 90% of this program is automated, because all we do is send people to one of our capture pages. Okay, and I'm going to show you one real quick here, just so you can see what I'm speaking of. Let's pull one up here. I'm going to show you one. And, okay, this is one. Okay, you send someone to one, and these pages are in our back office. Okay, and then I have some pages I've set up. I'll be happy to give you the share code for it, but this is in our back office. So let's say you send, we show you how to get people to go to this page, and they enter their information, guys. And once they enter their information, they go to one of the Power Lead Systems sales pages, which is something like this. And there's a video right here that's going to do the selling and telling for you. And then it gives them the option to join for free, a trial for 7 days. Okay, so people get to test drive the whole system for 7 days and see what is it all about. So you have nothing to lose there. And if it's not for you, you can cancel. Okay, but you have 7 days to check out this whole system and actually see what it's about. What I like also is we have every Thursday there's training. The company does a training for everybody. So you jump on that Thursday call, and then it's recorded. It's live, but it's also recorded. So if you're working or you can't make the call, you can go back and listen to it. In your back office, you can go and check out all the recorded calls that they've had. Okay. And then on Wednesday, the company does an overview. So you can invite people to that. All I do is send out an email to invite people to the overview, and the company will do all the selling and telling for you. They tell people, they show people why this is a great system and a great program to be a part of. So 90% of it is just getting people to your page. That's the work the company does 90%. I'm sorry, 90% the company does the work. 10% is kind of what I do. What I do is I buy traffic, okay, and I send people to a page like this. I send out my emails to my list, and you'll build a list. That's why you need to get a page like this, so you can start building a list of people to email. So I email my list. I buy traffic on a weekly basis, and I just send people back to the page. That's what I'm emailing them to. I'm sending them back to a presentation like this so that the company can do the selling for me. Okay, and as you can see, our number is not on this page anywhere. So that tells you that people actually see how this works and they go ahead and join. Now we have an autoresponder that's included that will have your name and phone number on it. But most of the time people just sign up and I get an email notification that they've joined. I don't have to, you know, do any selling or telling. That's why I say 90% of it is done by the system. It's more automated. Now I'm going to show you real quick over here. I want to tell you they added a new product. Okay, Master, as you can see, the countdown is on. Master Traffic Institute. Okay, and that product has a slew of training from A to Z. Okay, and that is a one-time $14.97. As you can see, mine is still red. I haven't upgraded yet, but it's $14.97 one time, and you make $1,000 commissions. Okay, and then on everybody on your team that sells that product to someone, if one of your teammates sells that product, you'll make a $200 override. Okay, so now they've gone up into the high ticket. So they pretty much have everything under one umbrella. With the gold level, you make your $20 residuals, your 50% matching bonus for $53.97 a month. And then your diamond level, you pay $147 one time and you make $100 commissions. Your Social Profit Academy is $497 one time and you make $400 commissions. And then, as I said, the Master Traffic Institute now is $14.97 one time and you make $1,000 commissions and $200 overrides. Okay, so everything is under one roof, and you have your autoresponders built in. You have all these pages, hundreds of these pages to select from. I've created pages. The team has created pages. There's lots of pages out here, so you don't have to worry about creating anything. Everything is already for you to go and just plug into what we have created for you. Okay, so don't reinvent the wheel. Just plug into what we have. Okay, so a great way to get started online with 90% of it being automated, where it's not hands off. It's just 90% of it is being presented for you, so you don't have to tell people over and over and over, well, what is this? Explaining it. Let the system do the sifting and sorting, and it will get the right people in the program. Okay, so that's it, guys. Just wanted to give you an update on that. Power Lead system is great. Get started. Reach out to me after you've gone through my funnel and checked everything out. I'll be happy to answer any questions for you and get you plugged in. Get our co-op traffic so that you can get traffic going to your capture page and you can start earning commissions with this great program. Go ahead and click that link below to check it out. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and click the bell to be notified. Once I upload new videos, you'll be notified. Okay, so you want to subscribe, you want to like, and you want to click the notification button. And I will see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.